but a brain into no measure has some quan meja kotokwato. Na meba kotokoso with sense of agency. A crucial. But Hearts of Oak and it will be a koso. But me mau how the story is pa mu de koso. On say Oshe Facebook so I de let be a toso Hearts of Oak. July 29, 2023 has names first badge on new technical team on July 2023 and has a name here. And then Oshe Edine Kosuni na Rene as technical director. Na opinion ebaye no onu kwa ama one uboni fita ba ko bae Matos Koopman ene bae onu be head coach and Rene ebe technical advisor. Now the news I want to say FIFA order has for some $150,000 to former technical director Rene. Now this is an inside story how and when necessity. Yeah, I have pointed Rene Kofa Matthias Koopman nearby and also my head coach, you know.
Yeah.
It was last 2023. Now, almost share Jumana some way Jumano has about 10 matches. On only 2 weeks. Or say or consider 10 goals and a board draw. So now has a team no the board the fans ni nano and who say coach in Sano need any team so team ni ebre under Matthias Koopman inti also mujano kwang so has a friend Matthias Koopman edniko World Trade Center Togba Fede no ho Dr. Nanotamoklo no ho Alaja Kambi and our doctor they were all around in the meeting and our money Matthias Koopman ASI meeting no. In fact, meeting lasted for 15 minutes. No one can see me. They made him aware, say, how our team in AC Econo
Angel
fans at the press ever or no one as coach and who say the performance no nothing to write about. So someone na ejina baby fako na obi atin wase. Nti or see mutually ye terminate contract no. Coach is me okay with it.
coach no tiase.
Yes, in 15 minutes. Kodo. Na coach na tiase with this conversation. Ama hona mu jina so terminate coaching contract. Coach is spending 4 months with Hearts of Oak. Only 4 months with Hearts of Oak. Now coach in tiase and a coach no ejini ticket and okoye. The technical director Rene at that time na omoni coach ni meeting almost sacking on and say mutual understand eba mo matiase no. Na Rene any Ghana na waje leave oko ni krom oko je jono asaba so oho na mu na mo fa coach Abubakar Watara omfa assistant coach ya Amankwa so coach ni wo krom ho no director no e no te say ni fi no occupy no ha sa ko fa assistant coach abetrem the friend na ya Amankwa
do fi media man.
yes no so what me di timi ya me back holidays asaba back na edina ma phobia ko tinem na oton crowd ko ha secretariat e from say what say the koso he wants to come to Ghana immediately nto munye ticket man no from na Ghana
Angel
kodo the ticket was around $1,200 do they back Ghana ko secretariat now ha secretariat no those are we adwuma ha secretariat the PRO Kwame Opariado Madam Efua and administrative manager omo adwuma ha secretariat now administrative manager no
Angel
omo na no ewo ha omo adwuma now $1,200 for a ticket say coach me back Ghana no be share the board of directors no may meeting na omedi year 2 year Jonas Danny on the administration manager na omedi year 2 year na compensation bo ha omochia na bibia koso no these guys quite on this issue because team no only board member unye board head, and so you have to communicate to the mpanyinfo who come before so. Meaning whose job is that? Say also or make sure say take it in the kwa kuma bruni no de bagana. Say Operado, say Madam Efua, and I say Jonas Adani. Na obuna banoma sorting issue no. They didn't. But it tra be sit now we look say.
Ticket nanko.
Ticket nanko. Now Borini feel say has yes idea a wrong termination of contract. Because no contract. Busumi so untua nika. So also the FIFA. And all the issue na FIFA. And the FIFA I make sure say what the tabo everything to what for so in the next 90 days munteni. And yet and na 90 days. And the FIFA dem has say omon trace kana $150,000 ama with the heading car. Ombeko player transfer ban local and international. $1,200. Uti free $150,000 is kakutwa. Because of negligence, because of a Juma Muye secretary to Omunye too serious. And I don't blame them. Me blame the board chairman. Because who started so fat, you know, almost be 12, 13 years in here. There have been issues with the FIFA player contract. Ako GFWA, Mochicha Husika, any FIFA. Still, you still maintain some guys be still in there. Then wana me feel so bohoka. And Sakabi one ma oba. Any case has first protest no call AJMA. Omo permanent same say a kai boy and the year review ni. Kweka wa e ka hunu.
I say e ka hunu a club nika.
Dabi wo fa ni power bet management ye. Wo ye ubi oni ya. E na wo sit we say obi na juma en kakawe ma. En so ma nko chen twem fo botom skantua. But in this case has for no ebi omo ni sa power no bet my to challenge no because any cause of chase kawe. Whoever in charge say Chatik 1,200 MOB famra. No any board and chase. No one discuss it. No more come personal. More man yet. Now has every year 150,000.
Na board no so munim say my employee will be. Say ni pana to kwan no my na impo management kwa me kan hwenche mu a. Osom kwa bubisa ah papa ne ne ya adwuma na otu kwan no obaba ben ana musuma mi sa hwe besi ne.
Eno ena me chere say me blame mo nko a. Me blame the board no any his excellency Togo Afede. Again aside Brodini dia no ajete dia nso aba. Ajete enso e de ko FIFA. Ajete o say ajete no. Ajete de beto TV no so. Ajete was 3-year deal. A 26-year-old about just one game. Has bo game against Bamako team. Of second half na buy has say 4 say 5 say 3 so. And has this about second half and kwani game boy. Has ekotua 100 and something thousand Ghana cedis. And so me be busa say if Rene club say ya e be dey wetin makoso.
E be dey wetin makoso. Yes, ye fancy what time ninti.